What is the one word for something visible that represents something invisible? The correct answer is symbol. What is the one word for a long flag, often tapering? The correct answer is waft. What is the one word for having or showing heroism or courage? The correct answer is valiant. What is the one word for a prediction about how something will develop? The correct answer is forecast. What is the one word for take away? The correct answer is deprive. What is the one word for elegance and beauty of movement or expression? The correct answer is grace. What is the one word for coming at short intervals or habitually? The correct answer is frequent. What is the one word for influence or persuade by gentle and persistent urging? The correct answer is coax. What is the one word for marked by tenacious unwillingness to yield? The correct answer is obstinate. What is the one word for having or showing keen interest or intense desire? The correct answer is eager. What is the one word for look down on with disdain or disgust? The correct answer is despise. What is the one word for a process of becoming larger or longer or more numerous? The correct answer is increase. What is the one word for alongside each other, facing in the same direction? The correct answer is abreast. What is the one word for live in a certain place? The correct answer is occupy. What is the one word for the quality of a color determined by its dominant wavelength? The correct answer is hue. What is the one word for mix together different elements? The correct answer is blend. What is the one word for exposed to view as by removing a cover? The correct answer is disclose. What is the one word for one of the jointed appendages of an animal? The correct answer is limb. What is the one word for determine the place of by searching or examining? The correct answer is locate. What is the one word for someone who does evil deliberately? The correct answer is scoundrel.